Here's how to fix the 403 forbidden error in your browser. Open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Third-Party Cookies, then See All Site Data and Permissions. Type the website name into the search bar and click the trash icon to clear its cached data. A corrupted or outdated cache is one of the most common causes of 403 errors, and clearing it takes seconds. Next, click Extensions in the bottom left of the same settings page and turn off all your extensions. Some extensions, particularly ad blockers, VPNs, and privacy tools, can block requests to certain sites in ways that produce a 403 response. Disable them one at a time to identify the culprit if the error clears after turning them all off. If the error still appears, try a different browser entirely. If it loads correctly in another browser, the problem is specific to Chrome's configuration rather than the website itself. If the error appears across all browsers, the issue is likely on the website's server side. The site may have blocked your IP, or the resource you were trying to access requires specific permissions. In that case, there is nothing you can do locally. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on StepByClick.